Traders, we're looking at Solana. This dodgy price action down here. Let's just go to a daily time frame and I'll give you my take on this. Have a look and see what we've traded into. See this value area back in here. This is a big level. So what's happened? Okay, it's pushed through it with a vengeance, and I don't trust this wick down. Come back up again, and we're wiggling around here now, coming back down into it, right? So, I mean, is this where we see that? We'll go down to a 4-hour time frame, and I'll give you my take on this. Or, do we see further downside, right? That's the question. But this is a key area, a big area. So let's just have a look at this on the 4H, and we'll discuss a couple of opportunities that we could see here. And look, the thing you want to watch with price action, okay, we've got this value area back here pulling it through. That's big support. And what they've done here, I'll just point this out, this spike down has hit liquidity resting under. So what we've got under here is significant sell stops, sell side liquidity, big time, prior to that. All right, this has taken out a lot of these stops that have been resting under here. And you can see the reaction off that, right? It hits it, and then we get this sudden, let's move forward, and they unload a little bit on here, okay, up there. So you want to be a little bit careful at the moment, because whenever I see a spike like this, I question whether this is gearing up to hold here, rotate, and travel north, all right? That's a possibility. So let's look at two scenarios. And look, there's no trade. Here's the thing with this. I'm a trend continuation trader, and I'll always pull my Fibonacci from these price swings. So look at that. Price swing high, price swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, right? Swing low, swing high. And see what we get with this trend. Fibonacci, high to low, the pull back into the 50 to 618 fib zone. We can see it everywhere here. Fib high to low, the pull, see the 618 fib? I'm always looking at these price swings and the pull back into the 618 fib. Now this one, traded off with a vengeance. We don't get that pullback. And then we've got this. Well, actually, you could, in fact, consider this price swing high to low all the way. That's a swing and a retrace into the 618. So look, and I'm looking for the sell anywhere between the 50 to 618. So the opportunity to get involved here has kind of happened. That's history. And this price action here, you want to be careful, because we know we're trading into a big value area. So let's grab this high and low of this range. That'll do for now. So that's that. Now, here's the thing to watch here. What we have is this spike, and now we've got, until this breaks, we've got a double bottom here. I mean, if it breaks through, then, all right, that's cancelled. But currently, we've got these equal lows, relative equal lows, and I'm not sure whether this is the beginning of something like that. So I wouldn't be selling at this level. That's definitely not, your entry. Your entry point is the fib pullback. If anything, I would like to see these lows broken, a pullback in here, and that would be an entry point if that occurs. I'm not sure whether we're going to see this smash through here, but if it does, then there's a sell right there, okay? That's that idea. Now, here's the second idea. Let's just clear everything. We know what we're looking at in terms of this big level through here. The second idea is this. If this holds and we see it wiggle around, okay, in other words, big money is working their orders in. So it will start ranging if they're going to be working their orders in. And you want to look for a fake out, shake out, and possibly we get that. No guarantees, but at the moment, there's no trade. I wouldn't be getting involved long or short at this level. No way. So it's either this breaks and the trend continues and then we sell here, or we see the range, and I want to see a bit of a fake out. It's a fakey shaky chart pattern. We get a fake out and then we hit these stops that are resting under here. That's if this sets up. And then that gives us possibly an opportunity on a retest and fail of the high of the range. So two specific ideas, guys. There's no setup at the moment. Wait for it, and you have the option there to go with this option 1, but that's a potential option 2. So then option 1 would be a sell on this pullback. If it sets up, stop above the high. That's that option. And if it ranges sideways and we get a bit of a fake out, shakeout thing, then this would be a buy opportunity here. Something like that. Okay, if it ranges. So let's just sit back and watch it and see what opportunity shapes up here. I'll probably revisit this at some stage soon. Okay, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts, your comments. And again, I mean, look, if you go out to the daily, yeah, it's under pressure. And do we see further downside, or is this where it holds here and we get something like that? Continuation. We don't know. Wait for the setup. Okay. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one. Definitely comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.